Read a story.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Jen. I like cameras. And any electronic device. And I'm gonna grab that, Jen.
No way.
Come on, little guy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Eli. Hey, come on over here. Eli, let's play with the ball. Look at the ball.
Let's play with the dump truck and send it to Grandpa.
Where's the dump truck? Where's the dump truck? Here it is. Let's show Grandpa how you can do the dump truck. Come on. Show Grandpa. Show Grandpa how you can do the dump truck. That's how it dumps. Okay, let's show Grandpa you can walk with it. What's that? Show Grandpa you can dump the truck, dump the blocks out.
Here, let's put some blocks in there.
Okay. There we go. There we go. Hold on. Hold on. Uh-oh. There we go. Where's your blocks? Put some blocks in the dump truck. Hmm? Where are all your blocks? What? Can you smile for Grandpa? Say hi, Grandpa.
Can you wave?
Hi, Grandpa. Wave to Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa. You silly boy. Wave to Grandpa. Eli. Does that come all the way off?
Oh! Oh, Eli.
You are such a kookaburra. You're a kookaburra. You're a kookaburra. I got a kiss.
Eli, your dump truck came apart.
You broke it. It's not a dump truck anymore. Uncle Nick'll have to fix it. Sit down. Let's see if we can fix the dump truck. What happened? It broke. Let's see if Grammy can fix it. Okay, Grammy fixed it.
It's all fixed.
There you go. Show Grandpa how you can walk with it. Okay, show Grandpa. Walk. Walk, Eli. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Walk with it. Get up. Get up. Come on. Come on, little fella. Maybe that is so bad. Eli. Eli, there it is. Where's the ball?
He wants to play with the ball now.
There we go. There you go. Throw the ball. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Here we go, Eli. Throw the ball to Grandma. Come on.
Yay!
Oh, that's a spinning ball. It's a spinner. There you go.
Throw the ball. Yay! Good job. Here, I'll throw it back. There you go. Throw it again. Oh, throw it to
good
Grammy.
job. Okay, catch, Eli.
Oh, good
Good
job.
job.
Throw it again.
Oh,
Oh,
back to Jen.
back to Eli. Oh, he got it.
Good job, Eli. Throw the ball. You're a good catch.
Where to now, kiddo?